Hello everyone. Today we are talking about the difficult pronunciation of several well-known brand names nowadays that most people pronounce. From now on, let's make sure we are speaking things correctly. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Let's kick things off with Nike. A lot of people say Nike as a Nike, but it's actually pronounced Nike with an extra E sound at the end. Now you know why it's called Just Do It. Moving on to luxury, Porsche. Most say Porsche, but it's actually Porsche. That extra syllable is what gives it that European flair. It's time for some luxury perfumes. The pronunciation of this brand is not givenchee. In French, it's givenchy. Fancy, right? Last but not least, your favorite furniture store, the multinational IKEA. But the actual pronunciation is IKEA, even though most people speak IKEA. So, how many of these were you saying wrong? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have got a tricky word or brand you would like me to cover, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun pronunciation guides. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.